365 days ago, a tech legend was sworn into the office as the Minister of Communication, but today he is known and addressed as the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy for a Digital Nigeria, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami. At Tech Icon NG, we humbly wish our Digital Minister as today marked his first year in office and gave him the best of honor for his hard-working, great achievements and more support for carving the face of the country in digital form. At Tech Icon NG, we celebrate with him as we unveil to you more than 30 amazing projects he commissioned virtually in less than 30 days despite the COVID-19 pandemic. So follow us as we begin. On 23rd July 2020, the Honorable Minister virtually commissioned 6 projects that reflect the dividends of the sustainable developmental programs of the administration of our President, Muhammadu Buhari. This project being commissioned can be marked relevant pillars of national digital economy policy and strategy, which are developing regulation, digital literacy and skills, solid infrastructure, service infrastructure, digital service development and promotion, among others. The 6 projects being commissioned are the Emergency Communication Center ECC project, Kaduna. The Information Technology ITU project is deployed by the National Technology Development Agency, NITDA, at the Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, and the University of Lagos. The IT Hub is a state-of-the-art solar-powered IT center equipped with computers, internet connectivity, and tools designed to create a platform where technology, business, innovation, and entrepreneurship are nurtured. The Community Information Technology IT Center was also deployed by NITDA in Daura, Katsina State. It is also a solar-powered IT center equipped with computers, internet access, and tools aimed at enhancing skill development, bridging the digital divide, and promoting innovative digital solutions that will address challenges facing the country. The Universal Service Provision Fund USPF deployed a Tertiary Institution Knowledge Center TIKC at the Enugu State Polytechnic, Iwolo. The TIKC project also doubles as an ICT skills. It will promote the use of ICT in teaching and learning at the tertiary institutions and their immediate communities. The Northwest Regional Office of the Nigerian Communication Satellite, NICOMSAT, located in Kaduna. In addition to servicing as an office, the center will support the creation of job opportunities for the youth as they will be trained on satellite technologies. 2 weeks after the first phase virtual commissioning, the second phase commission came up, which the Honorable Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami, commissioned 11 completed projects for the digital economy virtually on 11th August 2020. These projects include Tertiary Institution Knowledge Center ITKC Delta State University, Abaraka, New Neighborhood Post Office, Delta State, Remodeled National Mail Exchange Center in Biama, Bayelsa State, E-Health and Data Sharing Center, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, Bauchi, Virtual Examination Center, University of Maiduguri, Information Technology Innovation Center, Kogi State University, Information Technology Capacity Building Center, College of Education, Jigawa, among others. On 17th August 2020, the Honorable Minister of Communication and Digital Economy commissioned the 3rd phase virtual commissioning, which was the remodeled NITDA corporate headquarters in Abuja and digital conferencing facilities. The minister also commissioned 3 projects, which is, according to Tech Icon NG, as the most amazing and interesting commissioning within the Nigerian tech ecosystem. They are Digital Studio for Virtual Learning, Computer Emergency Response and Readiness Center, and finally, unveiling of the agency's new logo, vision and mission, which are also in line with the National Digital Economy Policy and Strategy for Digital Nigeria. Yesterday, which was 20th August 2020, our Digital Minister for Digital Economy, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Pantami, also commissioned 12 completed projects and flag of Digital Capacity Development Program for Digital Economy as the 4th and last phase virtual project commissioning within his first year in office as the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy in Nigeria. These projects are E-Library Federal College of Education Technical Bichi, Kano State, ICT Innovation Hub Oyo State Trade Fair Complex, Ibadan, Oyo State, E-Accessibility Center Government School for the Deaf, Malumfashi, Katsina State, among others. The Digital Capacity Development Program for Artisans is a project surrounded within 5 states across the country, which are Suleja, Niger State, Lautech, Oyo State, FCE, Okene, Kogi State, NIIT, Owerri, Imo State, Banchi School, Weri, Delta State. As we can see, all these projects have been commissioned and in line with the National Digital Economy Policy for a Digital Nigeria and also in line with the top priorities of our President, Muhammadu Buhari, which are economic development, security, and anti-corruption. At Tech Icon NG, we are warmly applauded by the motive and selfless efforts of this minister, as under his leadership, the Federal Ministry of Communication and Digital Economy and its parastatals are really committed in achieving the digital economy for a digital Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching. We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next time, but before then, our team will be very happy if you can like and share this video with your friends on social media. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss other interesting videos like this.